Welcome back to our magical adventure. Last time, we learned how AI can predict the future using past data. But how does an AI learn from that data to make a prediction? How does it actually think? To find out, Ali and Ton-Kla must travel to the Whispering Forest, a place where every tree is connected and the entire forest can think as one. Episode 2. The Whispering Forest of Thoughts. As they enter the forest, they are greeted by a friendly AI spirit named Spark, a being of pure, intelligent energy. Ali explains, "This forest is like a giant brain, Ton-Kla. We call it a neural network. Each tree is like a single brain cell, a neuron. This little sprout is learning," Ali whispers. "It receives signals from its neighbors through its roots. Some signals are strong, like a warm ray of sunshine. Others are weak, like the memory of a day without rain." The little sprout considers all the signals it receives, weighing the strong ones more than the weak ones. If the total signal is strong enough, it makes a decision to bloom. If not, it decides to wait for a better day. And that's exactly how a neuron in an AI works. It takes in many pieces of information, decides which ones are most important, and makes a final decision. And that's exactly how a neuron in an AI works. It takes in many pieces of information, decides which ones are most important, and makes a final decision. Ton-Kla looks around and sees that some parts of the forest have learned to bloom, while others have learned to stay dormant. "Exactly," Ali says proudly. "The forest as a whole has learned where to grow. That is the magic of a thinking forest and the power of a neural network." AI Intuition, the unified creator, the one and the only. Available on YouTube. Today, we've uncovered the secret of how an AI learns to think through the beautiful magic of neural networks. But what happens when an AI doesn't just think, but starts to understand the meaning of our words? Our next quest takes us to a truly magical place. Don't miss it.